So hey guys, welcome back to our session. So today in this session we are going to do some kind of TAT and we will do GDs, group discussion. So I had started this series with along my colleagues who are preparing for SSBs to improve our SSB performance. We can practice individually, but when we practice in a group, then we improve a lot. That improvement is seen by days. So for doing this improvement, we had started this daily CP preparation, a series in which we are preparing with our colleagues for SSBs. The timing of our session is 2 p.m. to 3:15 p.m., 3:30 or whatever. It is between 1 hour. The 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 least timing of our session is 1 hour, and it can be expanded up to 1 and 30 hour or 2 hour. It depends on time. So in this session, we cover SSB practice session. We do lecture preparation, PPDT, TAT, the whole process, VAT, SRT, group discussion, SHIC process, personal interview, current affairs, and everything that is related to SSB we prepared and we will be preparing through this upcoming series. So if you want to join our sessions, then we will invite you weekly basis. You have to join our link that is you have to join our WhatsApp channel whose link is given in the description below. You can directly join here. I will provide you link of our session in a week, 2 to 3 days, whenever I wanted. If I see that you are consistent, if I see that you are giving support to our videos, then eventually we will give you a chance to join our session and improve your SSB along with us. We are not expert, we are not like that कि हम एकदम expert हैं. We are just trying to improve our SSB preparation, improve our communication, improve our lecture delivering style, improve our thinking, how we perceive any kind of pictures. So basically, we are improving ourselves to become an officer in the armed forces. So these are the goals. We are not here to mock anyone or judge anyone's story that तुम्हारी स्टोरी तो यार बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है, कैसी एकदम बच्चों वाली स्टोरी बना रहे हो. वी आर नॉट डूइंग दिस हेयर. We are just trying to improve what they want, and we just want to inculcate these kind of qualities in us. So this is a small kind of intro that I wanted to give you, because many of you will be willing to join our session. So it is not possible for us to take every one of you. We can take many of you, and I will also decide some after many of you will request me. So I will decide that I will make a decision in future also, like we will take a session with all of you guys in a week sometimes, and we will do what we will see what we can do and how we can improve. So enjoy our two session, and let me know in the comment section this series is helpful for you or not. And if you want any kind of changes, any kind of thing that you think there should also be made of videos, so let us know in the comment section. I will make my any videos on that topic. So enjoy the session.